Good morning. I'm sorry for not being there this morning. I did have a prior engagement, but I will be on campus after fourth period. So if you have any questions or concerns that you want to speak to me about on a one-to-one basis, then you can do so after fourth period. Come by my classroom. What I want to do is show you an estimation of what your average is looking like. The reason why I call it estimation is because some of y'all have not completed all 10 of your presentation grades. Let me make this clear, and I'm going to repeat it 3 times. If you do not have all presentation grades, which you're supposed to have 10, I will place zeros for however many you are missing. One more time. If you do not have all 10 presentation grades, I will place zeros for however you are missing. One more time. If you do not have all 10 presentation grades, I will place zeros for however many you are missing. So this could possibly hurt your average if you do not complete all 10. Let me go ahead and start off with your estimation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what your average is looking like and how many presentation grades you have officially with me. Let's start off with ID number 779292. Okay, your average is an 84 currently, and the number of presentations you have is 7. That is 779292. Next one is 779409. Your average right now is looking like an 86. Your presentation is currently 8. Next one, 779876. Your average is currently an 87. And your presentation is currently 8. Next one, 779881. Your average is currently an 85. Presentation wise, you're looking at 8. Next one, 779944. Your average is currently an 88. Presentation, currently 8. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, it's not 8, it's 10. So you're good. You're actually done. So let me go ahead and highlight you because this is your official average. Next one is 780121. Your average is currently an 83. Presentation wise, you're looking at 6. Next one, 780167. Your average is currently a 78. Presentation wise, you're looking at 7. 780184. Your average is currently a 79. Presentation, 6. 780200. Your average is currently an 80. Presentation wise is currently 7. 780609. Your average is currently a 79. Presentation wise, 9. 782 718. Your average is currently an 84. Presentation-wise, 8. 782. 760. Your average is currently an 88. Presentation-wise, 8. 783. 035. Your average is currently an 80. Presentation-wise, you have 5. 783. 434. Your average, 93. Presentation-wise, 9. 783. 851. Your average, 93. Presentation-wise, 9. 784. 316. Your average, 78. Presentation-wise, 10. So you're good to go. This is your final average. Seven, 8, 4. 950. Your average, 82. Presentation, 5. 785. 433. Your average, 88. Presentation, 6. 785. 850. Your average is currently 95. Presentation, 10. So you're good to go. Seven, 8, 7. 857. Your average is an 87. Presentation-wise, you're at 7. 790. 337. Your average is an 88. Presentation-wise, you're at 7. 798. 594. Your average, 90. Presentation-wise, you're at 9. 803. 643. Your average, 92. Presentation-wise, 9. 806. 759. Your average, 77. Presentation-wise, 6. 808. 977. Your average, 76. Presentation-wise, you are at 9. Alright, again, this is an estimation of what your average is looking like. Very pleased with the averages. I believe no one is actually failing. I do have lots of B's, a couple of A's, and a couple of C's. So very, very pleased with you all. Only 3 people, I believe, are completely finished Those are ID number 785-850, 784-316, and 779-944. Those are the people that are finished. Okay, for those that aren't finished, one more time. I told you, if you do not have all 10, I will put in zeros for however many you are missing, so your average could drop. If you brought me any items that you want to count as presentation grades, take a marker from my desk. Make sure you write your name and the period that you're in. One more time. Take a marker from my desk and make sure that you write your period and your name so that I can give you credit for it. Again, take a marker from my desk and make sure that you write your name and your period on there. For those that didn't bring anything, you need to open a pre-cal book from the cabinet and choose an even numbered problem from chapter 4 or 5. One more time. Take your pre-cal book and choose an even problem number from chapter 4 or 5. One more time, because y'all don't like to listen. Take the pre-cal book and choose an even problem number or even numbered problem from chapter 4 or 5. One more thing. One person is only allowed to do that one problem. One person is only allowed to do that one problem. So y'all need to make sure y'all talk amongst one another and make sure you're not doing the one problem that somebody else is doing. Because when I get the stack, the first person that does that problem, I will give them credit to that I will give that person credit, and the other person that will do the same problem will not receive any credit. So one more time. Select an even numbered problem from chapters 4 and 5 or 5 and make sure that no one else is doing that problem. When you write or work out the problems on your piece of paper, you need to write the page number as well as the number and then your worked out problem. One more time. When you're working out these problems on your paper, you need to make sure that you turn it in with the page number that you got it from, the number the problem is, and your solution. If I don't get this the exact same way that I asked, I will just give you a 0. Okay, I hope no one has any questions. If you have any questions at all and you need to reach me, grab a business card, email me as soon as possible, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Okay. Y'all have a great Thanksgiving, and I look forward to seeing you all when we come back after the Thanksgiving break. Have a good one.